Ba údar mór bróide de bhainte Quaid fad nuair a chuig Nicky chun páirce ina chéadchlathe ceannis ile éireann I gábhfuil sa hochtíog.
Cían a de atá fáte ige sa glufa. Drama nach feice tú in éon teile down. On my law eile ige buireach.
When he stood over the free, I turned around. I couldn't watch it. I looked up and I picked a Galway supporter and I picked a Limerick supporter and I watched the two of them. And I heard the free being hit. And none of the two of them reacted. And I said, what's going on? And just as I turned, the ball was dropping in the square. And all I could think of was, there's going to be a flick, a goal, and the match is over and we're gone again.
Bunta Canningney, Shafada Galore, Tá Nirods, Bunta Luimnigh, agus tá mé ceap go bilé, agus tá ndán sheas ag Luimnigh.
Well, when Tom Condon came out with the ball, I remember just turning around and the four kids and the tears flowing down their eyes. I went down and met Nicky at the side. And all I said to him was, I said, your father would be so proud of you. Do you know, it was unbelievable. And for my father and Jack to be able to see it.
Agus cé nar bhuaig Joe, nar Tommy, nar Jack, nar Jim, bhí sé I Ronach go raibh ceann den clown, go bhí siad an bark, nuair a bhuaig Luimnigh craobh de Héireann.
It was something that I always wondered would I be jealous of, because it wasn't me there. But it wasn't. It was just magical. It was like, and I think Declan Hannon's speech after the match, he said, for all the players and all the people that have gone before to get us to this point, this is for you. And it felt like he was talking to me.
So all the past Limerick management, Limerick players, here are the guys that drove us and inspired us when we were young lads looking up to all of you. So hope that all you here today are enjoying this as much as we are, and are going to enjoy the next 2 days as much as we are.
I think the fact that Nicky was there, it was just something extra special. You know, to see your own flesh and blood bridging a gap that we thought, at times thought in my lifetime we'd never see it.